Welcome back to Secondhand Overland. We got something peeking out at us. Looks like a feral Ford. Forgotten, forlorn, left to rust. Somebody abandoned it. Poor thing. Needs to be rescued, needs to be saved to see if it runs. See if we can get this running. Found you a feral Bullnose Ford. Looks like somebody's got a deck on the back of it. It's got some serious roof and hood patina. This has been here many years. It's going on 20 years at least. Wonder if we can get down to it. Oh, this one looks like it's been here a little while. Oh yeah, no, oh God. Yeah, we're going to have fun today, everybody. Check this. I think that wheel is a little flat and buried in the mud. So it looks like an F-350 diesel. The door has some serious rust on it. The window's broken over on the far side. A little bit of rust. Looks like there's a little bit of rust going on in the fenders. Not too awful bad amount of rust. So Bullnose, mid 80s with some, looks like they added something to the front here. Oh, it's got a bug deflector. Bug deflector got broke off at some point. Ford. Oh hey, we got some fender flares. Wow. Somebody added custom lawn trim fender flares. Nice. We have a lot of work to try and get this one out of the hole. Got the Bud wheels. Like this wheel. Wow, hey, check it out. I don't know if you can see that. We'll get that in there. That wheel's actually got some air in it. Amazing. No tread hardly, but air. Oh, I don't think we're getting into this side too awful well. One ton, at least. F-350 diesel. Ford F-350 diesel. Now that hood has some patina. That is some patina hood. Whew. Oh, hot. Super hot. Oh, I can't imagine how hot it is inside this thing. Oh my God, it's got to be hot in this. We got the good old seat cover on there. Looks like this thing is a standard. It's a standard, and we got some sort of heavy-duty box on it. So, let's see what we got back here. Oh man, we can barely get back here. We got some dually wheels going on. Whew. Okay, yeah. Those dualies are buried in the mud as well. Alright, so, wow. This was quite a challenge to get under here, in here. Looks like we got some sort of seal metalwork here. Oh hey, here's a seat. It's like we got a seat from something. Oh. Deck has got some plywood added, and we are in the woods. Looks like there's a board sitting against the tree. It was backed against this tree. Hey, it looks like those tires got some air in them too. Good job. All right, we got our work cut out for us. Yeah, this is a view from the back side of it. Basically, you can hear the creek gurgling away right there. So this truck has had the nice sounds of nature for a long time. It's been a long time, I bet, since it's rode the road. Interesting pipes. Wonder what they were for. Huh. Too bad, no key today. Looks like the deck has trees growing up around it. It should be fun to get this out of here. Should be a fun one. Let's see if we can get the door open, see what's inside. Woo! Oh, smell that aroma. Wow, that's different. Looks like there's no key in the ignition. We got some spider webs. And wow, custom realistic speaker under the dash, custom. Good stuff. Looks like we got some fuel injector cleaner or something. Some nails. It has a cassette player, an original cassette player, and this tape is stuck to the seat. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, it's so hot in there. Wow, it is hot in there. The window is broken. Looks like we got a couple jugs over there and some diesel booster, octane booster. Oh, this hat has been here for a while. What do we got? Otter Valley Fish and Game. Nice, nice. We should keep this hat. Wow. Oh, it's so hot. Used to have a fire extinguisher. It looks like the wheel wrench is there. Let's see if anything's behind here. Oh, something ran away, I think. There's another speaker in there. Oh, there's speakers on both sides. Custom 80s custom sound system. Pretty awesome sound system. Oh, okay. Maybe somebody put the key in the pocket. Sometimes people do that. Oh, baggy. More nails. Wonder if we can start it with a nail. I've heard of crazier things. We could try to get started with a nail. I doubt it'll steer if it's locked. Yeah, it's totally locked. Oh, that's so burning my hand. And we can barely read the tag, but I think, yeah, it's not even, I can't even tell what year it is. I think it's an 87. I think it's an 87. The dash though, and the tape player, that's all telling me it's like 82. So 84, maybe it's an 84. There doesn't seem to be anything on the door. Oh, and I want to show you guys this. Check this out. Now this is some custom seat bracketing here. That's pretty safe, I think. At least we're raised up. And if you get a seatbelt, at least the seatbelt will hold you and the seat in. Good God, that might be a problem if a person was to ever drive this. I still can't get over the custom underdash speakers. There's even one over there. Check it out. Way over in the corner, underdash. But still no key. No key yet. Yeah, too bad. I can't get the tape off the seat. I wanted to show you, okay, it's all the golf balls. Wow, lots of golf balls and baseballs. There's a couple softballs, wood chips, and looks like Sherwood products, ICBC. So, yeah, last time insured. Wonder if we can get to the back of it and see when the last time this was insured. Ooh, these are the pokey sticks. Ouch. Oh, these are super pokey sticks. And this was last insured April 2001. All right, that was last insured April 2001. Huh. well, okay, I guess the next thing is to take a look under the hood, see if we can get under the hood of this thing. Dun, dun, dun. And we have a fabulous Ford 6-liter diesel. I think it's what they call these. These are one of them smoking engines. They make a lot of black smoke if you step on the accelerator. Ooh, looks like we might have some animal living in there, quite possibly. This definitely looks very nest looking. Yeah, it's very much looking like a nest on the wires. Interesting. So, we have no key. I'm pretty sure diesels just need this wire. I'm pretty sure that's the wire for a diesel. It says Mr. Start. Yeah. Looks like somebody's adapted that in already. So the key, I think, was just literally to lock the steering as it is. Alright then. We have our work cut out for us. Wow. I guess there was a massive wasp's nest on that side of thing. Massive wasp nest over there. Wow. Okay. We might be in for some fun here. Ford, Bullnose, Ford. Okay, I didn't bring any diesel. But yeah, it is definitely a diesel. So I'm going to assume it's a 6-liter diesel. And oh, we're going to try and get her going. You think it'll run? I don't know. I really don't know. But we'll find out. That's why we're here. Ford. It'll run. I have faith. Look at this radiator. Let's see if we got any coolant. No, she's bone dry. That's always a good sign. I like that. I like bone dry. Better than sopping wet, eh? Okay. Next step. Ooh. 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 All right, that was intense. Whew.